Well, hello. That's a bit weird, isn't it? It's just me. So obviously, Soap's had a really tough couple of months, and that's just been compounded by all of the upheaval and stresses and strains of self-isolation and lockdown, and just kind of making sure I'm worried that worrying that you're healthy and all of the rest of it. It's very, very difficult. But that makes it even more important to be nice to each other and to make special efforts. So I'm out doing our little weekly shop. I'm at Aldi. But I'm also going to see if I can find some bits and bobs to make her a really special meal. I want to make her a meal which I cooked. It was the first meal I cooked for her. So fingers crossed I'll be able to get all the ingredients. Otherwise, it will be a interpretation of that special meal. But I really just wanted to make something nice, give her something to smile about. And when you see somebody that you love so much going through so much pain, you wish you could just take it away, and you wish you could just make it evaporate. But you can't. You can't do that. All you can do is try and give people things to smile about, and that's what I'm going to try and do today. Lockdown style date night. So I wanted to make this a really special evening. So I'm going to try and get some candles and some wine, as well as the food. Some of you may be thinking, apart from, the candles and the wine and the nice food, what would make this evening more special? And that's what I'm trying to think of. You see, I've been trying to think of a way, and this isn't today, because I need to come up with a really good idea. But I want to come up with a way that I can ask Soph to marry me. So I want to make sure that it's nice and special and personal. And obviously there's no jewellers open at the moment, so getting any kind of ring is going to be tricky. But let's see. I mean, I might see if I can improvise. Anyway, it's probably not one for tonight. It needs more planning. But let's see if we can get something really special for her tonight. Something to put a smile on that face. Okay, I'm going to talk you through what I'm doing here. I've chopped up some onions and they're just kind of frying away with some butter and balsamic vinegar. Lovely. And then I'm going to add these. These are sun-dried tomatoes. Delish. Right? Going to add some tomato puree to the mix. Add a little bit of vibrancy. Ah, there it is. That balsamic vinegar, that was 99p at Aldi. Lovely. And some mascarpone. We're going to stir that in at the last minute. Just melt it in. And some fresh basil. Can't go wrong with a bit of fresh basil. Nice and fresh. There it is, all chopped up. Beautiful. And here's some pasta. I don't even know where we found this, but I know I found it in the cupboard. And there it is, just bubbling away. We're going to have it al dente this evening. Oh, one of the most important bits, some Sauvignon Blanc. And we're going to grate some Parmesan on top. Here it is, it's being grated. Great action there. Look at that. Oh. Next to the chopped basil. And here it is. We're just going to stir that mascarpone in. And yeah, I've drained that pasta. Going to stir that in too, so it's all coated in that tasty, tasty sauce. Look at that. As I said, this is one of the first things that I ever made for Soph, so you know, it's kind of a special and meaningful meal for us. Oh, we're gonna just plate it up. Look at it. Oh, it's coming out of the frying pan into the bowl. Yummy. I think what we need, yeah, bit of cheese. That's what we need. Yeah. Oh, nice little garnish of some fresh chopped basil. Oh, bit more cheese. Yeah. Oh, it's time to serve it up. Let's go. I forgot to tell you about this. This is some garlic bread. I made this. Yeah, I made some garlic butter. Yeah. Just butter, some garlic, oregano, and some chili flakes. It was absolutely unreal. And yeah, look at that. Wow. Oh, time to pour some wine. Definitely. And I've got to say, this one was £5.50 a bottle. It's from Aldi. Exquisite selection or collection or whatever. Oh, I'm just going to deliver it to Soph now. Look at this. Oh, there you go. That is a happy face. And now it's time for the big reveal. Garlic bread first and then the pasta. All in all, a very successful little exercise.